Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Samsung tablets, exploring the top 3 models of 2024. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to stay connected on the go, there's a Samsung tablet here for you. Let's jump right in. Today, we're diving into the world of Samsung tablets, exploring the top 3 models of 2024. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to stay connected on the go, there's a Samsung tablet here for you. So, let's jump right in. Using a tablet can drastically alter your experience with a portable computer. In order to save you from ever having to deal with system slowness and errors again, I'm dissecting the top 3 Samsung tablets in this video. The problem with tablets is that while they could be perfect for your mother or your best friend, they might not be the ideal option for you. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. Starting off our list at number 1, we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. Right now, this is the Samsung tablet that I think is the greatest overall. I was rather impressed with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus since it's a high-end Samsung tablet. It has an amazing dynamic AMOLED display, powerful performance with Qualcomm Snapdragon, a processor with 256GB of RAM, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, an IP68 water and dust resistance construction, and S Pen capability. A lively 12.4-inch AMOLED display with a sharp resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels is a feature of the Tab S9 Plus. With a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 CPU and up to 12GB of RAM, the Tab S9 Plus tablet boasts vivid colors, deep blacks, and fine details that really do bring your material to life. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or just surfing the web. Yes, RAM of 12GB. With the Tab S9 Plus, multitasking is smooth and performance is lightning quick. Therefore, the Tab S9 Plus can easily perform all of your computing tasks, including document editing, streaming videos, and playing games with high visual effects. Not to add, whether you're taking notes, doodling, or editing images, the Tab S9 Plus provides accurate control and a natural writing experience with the S Pen. Additionally, the Wi-Fi 6 connection guarantees a dependable and steady connection. Thus, you shouldn't be concerned about your tablet running slowly. The armor aluminum frame of the Tab S9 Plus contributes to its sturdy construction. Additionally, it helps shield it from bumps so you can carry it wherever without having to worry about it breaking easily. It also benefits from an IP68 water and dust resistance designation, which helps shield it from inclement weather. A potent Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, 256GB of RAM, a dynamic AMOLED display with IP6 protection against dust and water, an aluminum frame with strong armor, and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity are all features of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. Thus, the Tab S9 Plus can be your best option if you're searching for a high-end Samsung tablet with strong performance. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. Right now, this is the Samsung tablet I think is the greatest. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is a great tablet that is well liked by most people. This has an amazing 11-inch WUXG quality display, a strong Snapdragon 695 processor, a lightweight, fashionable design, and integrated Dolby Atmos speakers. The magnificent 11-inch WUXG screen of the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus offers clear, sharp images. With its powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor and 4GB of RAM, the Tab A9 Plus tablet offers an amazing viewing experience that's really great for both productivity and entertainment needs, whether you're streaming your favorite movies, browsing the web, or just enjoying immersive gaming sessions with its immersive screen. The Tab A9 Plus provides incredibly responsive and fluid performance for everyday chores and multitasking games. The Tab A9 Plus has the performance to match your hectic lifestyle, regardless of how many apps or demanding programs you're running at once. The battery life of the Tab A9 Plus is really good. Its 7040 mAh battery is to blame. Its long-lasting battery life is this. Furthermore, it features amazing integrated Dolby Atmos speakers that deliver a rich audio experience for all of your media. The sleek contemporary style of the Tab A9 Plus is both fashionable and useful. The Tab A9 Plus is now portable and lightweight, making it ideal for use on the road for any activity, including traveling, commuting, or just lounging around the house. With its WUXG resolution, strong Snapdragon 695 CPU, 7040 mAh battery, elegant and small design, and integrated Dolby Atmos speakers, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus dazzles. Therefore, the Tab A9 Plus can be the ideal Samsung tablet for you if you're looking for a high-end device that combines a potent performance with a fair pricing. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is an amazing tablet from Samsung that truly sparkles. It has a robust performance provided by the Snapdragon 720 CPU, a long-lasting battery life of up to 13 hours, a brilliant TFT LCD display, 2000 by 1200 pixel resolution, and a small and compact design. The 10.4-inch TFT LCD display on the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite boasts sharp images and brilliant colors. This is now ideal for web browsing, watching your favorite films on streaming services, or working on productivity activities. The Tab S6 Lite offers an immersive screen for work and content viewing thanks to its resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels. With its robust Qualcomm Snapdragon 720 CPU and ample RAM, the Tab S6 Lite now offers smooth and effective performance for graphic creation, video editing, and even online browsing. The S Pen stylus is included with the Tab S6 Lite, just like it is with the Tab S9 Plus, to help you with more creative and productive work. The S Pen is a terrific tool for schoolwork or art projects. Its lightweight build and compact profile assure accuracy and easy interaction with tablet programs. Whether you're annotating PDFs, producing digital art, or filling out forms, you can easily carry it with you wherever you go with to the Tab S6 Lite. It also boasts a long-lasting battery that can run the device for up to 13 hours on a single charge. It's excellent for anyone who wants a tablet that will easily last them through a long day. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is distinguished by its svelte and light design, 13 hours of playback, 720 grams Snapdragon processor, S Pen stylus, TFT LCD display, and resolution of 2000 by 1200 pixels. For those seeking a high-performing Samsung tablet that can effortlessly manage their tasks, the Tab S6 Lite could be the ideal choice. So, there you have it, our top 3 Samsung tablets of 2024. Whether you need a high-end device for professional work, a balanced option for productivity and entertainment, or a budget-friendly model for everyday use, Samsung has you covered. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss any of our latest tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching the video. Until next time, stay savvy and keep hustling. Goodbye.